On average in a day, you were saying what's my routine in the day. On average in a day, I spend 5 to 5.5 hours for salah. So the major activity in my day, more than sleeping, is salah. On average, every salah, you could, from the time I start doing wudu and I go to the mosque, my mosque is in the same complex where I live, Tamara, pray my sunnah, pray the dua and come back. It takes for an average 40 minutes for me. From the time I do wudu, I go, I pray, I do dua, I come up. So 40 minutes average approximately. Some is 35, some is 45, depending upon the number of sunnah that is there. So 5 multiplied by 40 is about 200 minutes. Is this? Then there is Salatul Duha, another 20 minutes we can add, and then there is Tahajjud for 2 hours. So all put together, it's approximately 5 to 5.5 hours in a day. I spend only on Salah, including Tahajjud. So my major activity, if you ask me which is my activity maximum, as one particular activity, it is Salah. If you count the time of wudu and going to part of Salah. So 5.5 hours in a day I spend for Salah, and about 3.5 hours for sleeping. And the rest of the time taking up with the routine of eating, bathing, etc. The rest, approximately in a day, I spend 12 hours for dawah. 12 hours for dawah, and maybe 1 or 2 hours for the family. And the remaining couple of hours, for eating food, having a bath, etc. So on average, it is 12 hours dawah, couple of hours for the family and for my routine activities, 5.5 hours for salah, and 3.5 hours for sleeping. So this is the rough bifurcation of my daily activity.